I recently discovered this amazing app that you can earn $200 every single month without doing anything, and anyone can do this with your phone or laptop. This app is called Pawns.app. Go to the link in the description. As you can see, it says passive income online. Make passive money online by completing surveys and sharing your internet. That's all you need to do. You just need to install this app and let them use your internet. The first thing you have to do is go to Google and search for the Pawns app. The website is www.pawns.app. As you can see, this website allows users to share their internet and make money passively. Once you're on this page, click on the download button. This download button will be changed according to the device you're browsing, because you can install this app on any phone. Not only that, you can install it in Windows, Mac and others. In this video, I'm going to use my Apple phone to install this app, but you can try out with any device you want. Once you click on the download button, you will be redirected to the Apple Store to download the app. Just click Get and install the application. After you install the application and open it, you will be able to see this screen. Click on the Start Earning button to get started. Then you need to create an account for the Pawns app, which you can use your Google, Facebook, or Apple account. I'm going to use my Google account to log in. After you logged into the application, you will be able to screen with 3 tabs: Dashboard, Surveys, and Settings. This is a really simple application. You can start earning money with 2 methods. One is surveys and the other one is sharing the internet. I suggest you use both and expand your earnings. In the dashboard, you can see the toggle button to enable share internet. Tap on that and enable it. That's it. That's all you need to do. As you can see, it shows your balance and traffic shared, so you can keep track. Now, remember, if you are using iPhone to do this, you have to keep this app open in order to earn money. Because of the iPhone iOS limitation, this app can't use your internet in the background. You can enable this button to keep the screen on and save the battery. But if you have an Android phone, congratulations, you can use this app in the background. You can just enable internet sharing and use your phone as normal. This app will earn money even while you are sleeping. Isn't it great? But you must be wondering how much money I can earn from this application and how to withdraw it. Don't worry, I'm going to explain that now. If we go back to the website and scroll down, we will be able to see a section called How Much Can You Expect to Earn? And here it's showing exactly how much money you can earn from the Pawns app. Your earnings depend on the amount of traffic, in GB, you share, how many surveys you complete, and how long you keep the application running on the Pawns.app network. The longer you stay online, the more you earn. So if you keep running the application for 24 hours, one device can earn $9.60. Also, you can do surveys to ramp up earnings. But if you have 2 devices like a phone and laptop, you can install this application for both and earn $19.20. But there is a catch. You cannot use the same IP for both devices, which means you cannot connect to the same Wi-Fi. So use mobile data for the phone and use Wi-Fi for the laptop. I know this is not much, and surely you will not be able to quit your job. That's okay, because this is a side hustle which you don't have to do anything, so it's basically free money. That is all you have to do. Now, if you want to learn even more ways to make money online, then subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. All the links will be in the description below.